Imagine if right after people checked in, you could automatically send them like a coupon for your food and beverage area or a map of your venue. In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So using Make, we'll go ahead and create a new scenario. And I will look for SimpleTix on the list by typing in SimpleTix here. And for the action, I'm gonna go with watch attendee check-in. This will fire every time someone checks in. Now we'll create a new webhook, and I'm also gonna create a new connection as well too. So I'll give my webhook a name. I'll put in my company name or my festival name in here. That way I can keep it tidy and separate. And I'm gonna create a new section by clicking add, a new connection by clicking add, and I'll type in my SimpleTix site here as well. Because I have multiple SimpleTix sites, I wanna keep them separate. And I'll click here to do the authorization. Now I'll have to log into SimpleTix one time for this. And since I'm a member of multiple sites, I'll have to choose the correct one. So this is Asheville Zoo. I'll go ahead and choose that one and click Allow Access. All right, so now our Make account is now connected to my Asheville Zoo SimpleTix site, and I gave my webhook its own name. All right, so we're all connected there. The very next step is to connect with Twilio. So I'll search by Twilio here. It's a text message provider. And now I'll connect it with Twilio. And the action will be to create a message. And I've already connected it with my Twilio account, so it's already there. I'll send a message from a phone number. And I have multiple phone numbers, so I'll choose the correct one. If you only have one phone number, just go ahead and select your phone number from the list and choose the order's phone number. We'll choose it from there. And if we just want a simple message, that says, here's a promo code, or the food carts are out back, make sure you visit them, you could do something like that. You could type any message here, such as a reminder or just instructions of where to get food. So if you just wanted to make it simple with a basic text message, with the basic text, you could choose something like that. So right now, if you scan that QR code, it's automatically gonna send that basic text message. But let's do something better. Let's send everyone a text message that includes a graphic of the venue map. So now we'll edit our Twilio settings, and we'll open up advanced options, and we'll paste in the URL of our venue map. And this is directly from our website. This is the URL, and I'll click OK. And now I'll activate the Make plugin. All right, so now let's scan our ticket. Now I'm scanning the ticket from the same device, which is my cell phone, and on this device, I will get the text message. So the text message should only take 2 or 3 seconds to arrive on my cell phone. And here it is. I'll go ahead and tap on it, and now I have the venue map directly on my cell phone. It's completely paperless, and it's one less thing for me to have to carry around because it's directly on my phone. So let's say I wanted to find the beer garden in the back of the venue. Well, here I can find it. This is a great way to promote your vendors. And let's say there's a food truck on the side. I can find that too. Well, thanks for watching this video today. We hope you enjoy this feature. Bye now.